Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talks, the place where learning English feels like chatting with your best friends. I'm your host, Mila.
And I'm Ethan, your co-host and your partner in improving English one conversation at a time.
Ethan, guess what? Today is one of my favorite topics.
Let me guess. Food? Sleep? Shopping?
Okay, fair. But no. Today we're talking about jobs. How to talk about what you do in English, how to describe your work, how to answer people at parties, at interviews, on the first day of class, everywhere.
Yes, this one is super useful. Whether you're working, studying, staying at home, looking for a job, or dreaming of one, today's episode is for you.
So, Ethan, let's start with the basics. When you meet someone, what's the question you almost always hear?
What do you do? It's like the international icebreaker.
Exactly. And notice, listeners, we don't usually say, "What is your job?" We say, "What do you do?"
Right. It sounds more natural, more friendly.
So, pretend we've just met. Let's show our listeners what a natural conversation looks like.
Hey, I'm Ethan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, what do you do?
I'm a podcast co-host and an English instructor. What about you?
I'm a full-time podcast host and part-time writer.
See? Simple, clean, easy.
Listeners, remember this formula. I am a plus job. I am an plus job for vowels.
I am a teacher. I am a designer. I am an engineer. I am an artist.
Let's give them 5 seconds to practice. Say your job out loud, even if your cat looks at you like you're crazy. 5-second pause.
Perfect. You sound confident already.
Now let's talk about something people always get confused about. The little words in, at, for.
Yes, prepositions, tiny words, big headaches. In, building, or type of place.
I work in a hospital. I work in a factory. I work in a school.
Think of in like the building. At, location.
I work at the bank. I work at the airport.
This is more about the place itself. For, company name.
I work for Samsung. I work for Coca-Cola. I work for Everyday English Talks.
Best company ever.
This is so important because many learners freeze when someone asks them, "What do you do?"
Yes, but not everyone is working right now, and that's okay. Here are natural ways to explain. If you're looking for a job,
I'm looking for a job. Or I'm between jobs.
if you're a student, I'm a student. You can add your field. I'm a medical student. I'm a business student.
If you stay home with kids, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm a stay-at-home dad. And trust me, that's a full-time job.
Honestly, it's like 5 jobs at once.
Now comes the fun part. Describing the job. Is it boring? Is it exciting? Stressful? Easy? Challenging?
Let's teach them some useful adjectives. If your job is difficult, it's challenging, it's stressful, it's tiring, it's demanding. If your job is nice, it's fun, it's exciting, it's interesting, it's creative, it's relaxing.
Okay, Ethan, let's make this real. Tell everyone about a job you had before joining this podcast.
Oh boy. Okay. When I was younger, I used to deliver food on a bicycle, And I lived in a hilly city. Every road was like climbing a mountain.
Oh no, your legs must have been crying.
They still are. But the job was, well, tiring, yes. Also stressful because customers tracked me like I was a package.
But was there anything good?
Yes. Free food sometimes. And honestly, I liked talking to people at the door.
My turn. I used to work at a small bookstore. The job was easy, sometimes boring, but I loved the smell of books, and I had amazing colleagues.
Ah, yes. Colleagues. Great word. Colleagues equals coworkers.
Colleagues can make a terrible job feel amazing, or a good job feel terrible.
Listeners, repeat after me. We'll give you small lines.
I am a. I work in. My job is. I like it because. But sometimes.
Nice! You sound great, even if you whispered it like a shy kitten.
Jobs aren't just about what you do, but also how much you work. Full-time.
Usually 40 hours a week. Classic Monday to Friday.
Part-time.
Maybe only 3 days a week. Or only evenings.
Freelance.
You work for yourself. Your schedule is your problem. And your freedom.
Remote or work from home.
Pajamas, coffee, laptop. Heaven and danger at the same time.
Exactly. You can work in bed, and suddenly it's 2 p.m. and you still haven't brushed your hair. Now my favorite part. Dream jobs.
Yes, this always starts great conversations.
Okay, Ethan, your dream job. Go.
I would love to be a wildlife photographer. Travel, nature, animals, no emails.
That sounds perfect for you. My dream job, a travel show host. I want to eat food around the world and talk about it.
And I want to join you on every episode.
Listeners, think for 3 seconds. What is your dream job? Say it out loud.
I help customers. I teach students. I fix machines. I manage a team.
I enjoy my job. I don't enjoy my job. It's hard sometimes. It's very rewarding.
I want to get a better job. I want to learn new skills. I hope to get promoted.
Let's do a fast, fun role play so listeners can hear natural English.
Mila, can you send me the report?
Sure, I'll send it in 10 minutes.
And can you join the meeting at 3 p.m.?
Of course. Do I need to prepare anything?
Just bring your ideas.
Perfect.
See? Simple and useful.
If you want to avoid awkward silence, try asking, what do you like about your job? What is the hardest part? How long have you worked there? Do you work full-time or part-time? What's your dream job?
These questions make you sound friendly and confident.
Listeners, now create your full introduction. Repeat after me and fill in the blanks.
I am a blank. I work in, at, or for blank. My job is blank. I like it because blank, but sometimes it's blank. I work full-time, part-time, from home. My dream job is blank.
Amazing! Save your answer and use it in real life.
All right, everyone. Before we wrap up this episode,
We want to hear you. Yes, you listening right now.
go to the comments and write, what do you do? Or, what is your dream job?
And if you want more episodes that improve your English in a fun and friendly way, Hit the like button, subscribe to Everyday English Talks, and share this episode with someone who needs English confidence.
Your support helps us create more helpful episodes for you every week.
Thank you for spending your time with us. Don't work too hard today, but don't be too lazy either.
Balance, my friend, balance.
See you in the next episode.